How to replace the seat sleeve and fit the saddle height insert. The seat sleeve on a G line is replaced in an identical way to the C line or P line. See the link in the description for detailed steps on how to do this. The only difference is that you need to use the specific G line reaming adapter kit with your reamer. The adapter kit extends the length of the reamer. It needs to be longer, as the tool is slightly conical, and if you use the standard reaming tool, you won't achieve the correct diameter of cut. Remember to use the full length of the reamer tool to achieve the correct cut. To fit the G line adapter kit, use an 8mm hex key to remove the black bolt and the reamer grip from the top of the reamer. Fit the new silver bolt through the reamer grip, then the spacer. Fit on the tool and tighten firmly using an 8mm hex key. How to fit the saddle height insert. The saddle height insert allows you to get the desired saddle height every time you extend your seat post upon unfolding. On the G line, it fits identically to all other Brompton lines. For detailed instructions on how to install it to your bike, click on the link in the description.